Junior Jets. Today's mission is in the Amazon rainforest.
The Amazon rainforest is in South America.
So, what's the mission?
An explorer has been trekking in the rainforest, taking pictures for some vital environmental research. This morning, their camera went missing. Your mission is to find the camera.
Mission accepted!
Let's go see the Amazon rainforest. 3, 2, 1.
Jumps away!
So the last place I saw the camera was here when I put it down. Good luck, Junior Jets. I sure hope you find it. I really need those pictures for my research.
Okay, it's time to look for clues.
Hey! Over here! I see footprints!
Whoa, dude. They're my footprints.
Oh, yeah, of course. I knew that.
Look! The camera's lens cap! And lots of rubbish. Ew!
I don't think that's rubbish. It looks like things an animal would eat. And they've left a food trail.
What should we do next?
We should follow the trail and see if it leads us to the camera.
More footprints? Oh, but what if they belong to one of us? Oh, I'll just look silly again. Whoa! There is no sign of the camera.
Jackson, did you not see these? Another food trail and more footprints. And this time, they are not mine.
Wow! These footprints belong to a spider monkey. They live in the forest tree canopy and rarely come to ground. And they eat things like fruit, leaves, seeds and nuts.
So it looks like our culprit is a monkey.
Oh, but why would a spider monkey take a camera?
Maybe having their picture taken sounded ape-peeling. Yes. Jackson, Grace, and Lucas, you follow the new food trail. We'll keep lookout.
Junior Jets, go!
There they are! Deep in the jungle.
Okay, the trail goes this way. Everyone, keep alert.
I'm always alert.
Huh? The food trail has just stopped. I don't get it. It's not like a monkey can walk straight through a tree.
I have an idea. It's probably wrong again. No, wait. I have to try. I'm thinking that the monkey dropped the food, came down to get some of it, and went back up the trees again. There it is! There's the monkey!
Whoa. Now how are we gonna get the camera?
We get it to do what a spider monkey does. And that's why they're called spider monkeys. Here, all your research is saved.
Wow! Thank you, Junior Jets!
Junior Jets, mission complete!